Welcome to YouTube channel Beat English A Journey from Land to Sky. Describe a course you would like to study. You should say what course it is, where you would do it, what you would learn in that course, and explain why you would like to do this course.
Well,
I am going to tell you about a course that I would like to study. As you know, that course is a structured program of study designed to teach specific skills and knowledge. Now, let me tell you about a course I would like to study is an IELTS preparation course. I would take this course at a well-known language institute in my city. If possible, I would prefer in-person classes, as I find face-to-face interaction with instructors more beneficial. This course would help me understand the format of the IELTS exam, including all 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. I would learn effective strategies to improve my listening comprehension, manage time during the reading test, structure my essays for the writing section, and confidently express myself during the speaking test. The main reason I want to take this course is that I am planning to study or work in an English-speaking country, and a good IELTS score is essential for achieving that goal. While I feel confident in my English skills, I believe professional guidance would help me maximize my score and familiarize me with the specific expectations of the exam. Additionally, this course would allow me to practice under realistic conditions and boost my confidence. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Beat English.